Today is lesson 1.7, use place value to add. Our essential question is, how can you use place value to add three-digit numbers? So we will continue using place values throughout this lesson, and we will be learning how to add three-digit numbers. Our problem of the day is, Pete used the break apart strategy to find 283 plus 315. Which of the following shows this sum? So he used the break apart method. So the break apart method is when you put it into expanded form. So if I had 283 and then I had 315, I could break these apart and I could have 200 plus 80 plus 3. And then again, I would need to do that for 315. So I'd have 300 plus 10 plus 5. So then when I add those together, I would have 3 plus 5, because I would do the ones place, and that would be 8. Then I would do the tens place, so that would be 80 plus 10, which would be 90. And then I would do 200 plus 300, which would be 500. So I would say it is letter C. We're going to continue using the break apart method for this next question. So right here I have 245 plus 371. Well, I know that I need to use place value to add these two up. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to write it differently. I'm going to write it over each other so that it's easier to see the place value. So I'm going to have 245 and I'm going to add 371. When I do this, I can see the place values better. So now I'm going to add the ones. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 7 is 11, so I'd put a 1 here. And then I'd need to carry a 1 right here. Next, what I do is I'd add the 2 plus 3, which is 5, plus 1 more, which would be 6. So my answer would be 616. All right, we're going to do one more, and then I will have you practice by yourself. So here is using place value again. We would do 0 plus 7, and that would be 7, plus 1 more would be 8. Then 4 plus 5 plus 0, which would be 9. And then 4 plus 3 plus 1, which would be 8. You can use different strategies. You could do 1 plus 4, then plus 3. You could make 1 plus 3 and have 4 and then add doubles. Either way, the answer would be 898. So here, I'm going to have you on a Post-it add 563 plus 48. You may use the place value method that I just used here, or you can use the break apart method that I used right here. So either way, that's what you can use. What I want you to do is I want you to write this problem, 563 plus 48, on a Post-it and turn it in.